Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve question number 10 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I've completed the distance and section formula, examples 1 to 10, exercise 7.1 and questions 1 to 9 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Question number 10 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry says find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. So here we have to find out the area of rhombus whose vertices are given, and they have also given us the hint as area of rhombus is equal to half of product of its diagonals. So they have given us the formula for area of the rhombus. So here let me first draw the figure of a rhombus. So a rhombus has 4 equal sides, but the diagonals here are not equal in a rhombus. Let us name the rhombus here as A, B, C and D. We should always name them in an order because in the question they have mentioned us that take a rhombus always in an order, and also the vertices also we have to take in an order. So the first vertex is 3, 0, second one is given as 4, 5, then minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. So join the diagonals of the rhombus, that is AC and BD. Let us write down first, let point A be 3, 0, point B be 4, 5, point C be minus 1, 4 and point D be minus 2, minus 1 be the vertices of a rhombus ABCD. So here area of a rhombus is given as, let us write down, since we have to calculate the area. So area of a rhombus is given as half of product of its diagonals. So which are the diagonals of this rhombus? Here the diagonals are AC and BD. So let us substitute that here. So half into product. Product means we have to take multiplication of its diagonals, that is AC into BD. Right, so now let us find out the length of the diagonals AC and BD so that we can substitute in this formula. Here, which is the formula used to find out the length of any line segment? It is the distance formula, right? So distance formula is given by square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So using this distance formula, we will find out value of diagonals AC and BD. To find out the diagonal AC, let us assume point A to be x1 y1 and point C to be x2 y2. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. Here x2 value is minus 1 minus of x1. x1 is 3 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 value is 4 minus y1 value is 0 the whole square. So this will be how much? Square root of minus 1 and minus 3 we have to add with a minus sign. So it is minus 4 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 will be 4 the whole square. So squaring of a negative number is always positive. So minus 4 the whole square will be 16 plus again 4 square is 16. So what is 16 plus 16? It is equal to root 32. Now let us factorize 32 and find out its factorize. So 2 1 times 2 carry 1. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are. So what are the factors of 32 we got here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here pairing of two numbers is done. So these two numbers can come out of the square root. So when we take square root of 32, so pairing is done twice here. So those numbers will come out of the square root term. So 2 into 2 and this 2 is left behind. So we get 2 into 2 is 4 root 2. So therefore the value of AC, is equal to 4 root 2. Now similarly let us find out the value of BD. So for BD, let us assume point B to be x1 y1 and point D to be x2 y2. Apply the distance formula. to find the value of BD, that is square root of x2 minus x1. Here x2 is minus 2, minus of x1 is 4 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, y2 is minus 1, minus y1 is minus 5 the whole square. So this will be, again we have to add with a minus sign, so minus 2 and minus 4 is how much? Minus 6 the whole square, plus minus 1 and minus 5 is how much again? Minus 6 the whole square. So squaring of a negative number is always positive. So 6 square is 36, plus again 6 square will be 36. So 36 plus 36 is how much? Root 72. So again let us factorize 72 to find out its factors. 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 6s are 12, then 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Root 72 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here again pairing of number 2 and number 3 is done. So this comes out of the square root. So this will be 2 into 3 root of 2, which is nothing but 3 into 2 is 6 root 2. So root 72 is how much? 6 root 2. That is the value of BD. Now let us substitute this value of BD and AD in the formula of area of a rhombus. So therefore area of rhombus is equal to half of AC. AC value is how much? 4 root 2 into BD, that is 6 root 2. So here we can cancel 2 1 times, 2 2 times. So this will be how much? 6 into 2 is 12 into root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So 12 into 2 will be equal to 24. Since the unit value is not mentioned here, so we can take AC value, which is length, as 4 root 2 unit, and also BD value can be taken as 6 root 2 unit. Therefore area will become square units, right? So this is how we find out the area of a rhombus. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, let us learn section 4, area of a triangle, from chapter 7, coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and SOT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7, coordinate geometry, shown on the screen. Thank you.